Hey there, I'm Jan from Lumnio, and I'm back with another quick Lumnio lesson. In the recent ones, we focused on creating work instructions from scratch. In this one, we'll take a look at how to use them in our RealWear app. First, I'll show you where to find them, then we'll try going through one of them, we'll learn how to pause our work, and to finish things off, we'll take a look at our activity history. So let's get started. We'll sign into the app and begin on the home screen. If you want to find a specific work instruction file, you'll need to switch to the Library tab. To do that, you need to say the word Library loud and clear. This is how you select stuff on the RealWear headsets. Once you open the Library tab, select Content where, as the name suggests, you can find the content you're looking for. Or you can simply scan the QR code associated with the instructions. We'll select the file we created last time around and start it, so we can hand off the company car correctly. Let's summon our friend Vito again to walk us through the instructions. First, we'll read through the info on the first screen. It appears that our car is positioned correctly, so let's continue to the next step. Here, we need to input the departure date, follow the instructions on screen to input it using your voice. Next, Vito will have to input the car mileage. So, let's do that by saying each digit out loud. Next up, let's input the VIN and registration. To input the characters precisely, say the word associated with each letter. Good, let's move on to the next step. We have refueled the car, so let's input that along with the fuel type. And now to scan the invoice, right? The only thing is, Vito left it on his table in the office, so we need to suspend the instructions and go get it. To suspend the instructions, you need to open the options menu by saying options and select the suspend option. To find the suspended work instructions, open the executed tab and you'll see a list of every recently executed work items. And when you're ready to continue, simply say the name of the work instructions and finish your work. And while I was talking, Vito has made his way to the office where he can scan the invoice by selecting the photo option and by saying take photo. Great, now let's go back to finish the rest. In the next few steps, Vito will have to take a picture from all sides of the vehicle. So let's fast forward while he takes the pics. To finish things off, he needs to fill out if there were any issues. None are selected by default, but he'll select one now. And finally, he'll leave a message. That's not quite what I was expecting, but fair enough, I guess. And that's it. He did it. Vito has successfully returned the company car. This even shows up in the executed panel in the app. So, let's recap. We learned how to find and use the work instructions, we suspended our work, and we looked at our last work items. I hope you enjoyed this Lumnio lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Or in the last one if you haven't seen it yet. Anyways, go watch some of our other stuff, it's really cool. Thanks for watching this one.